Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to unlock Hyundai Sonata, full guide. Begin by checking for a spare key or replacing the key fob battery to re-enable remote unlock. If that fails, try manual key entry in the driver door and cycle the lock several times. Next, test the trunk release and interior unlock switch. If electronic methods still fail, consult the owner's manual or contact roadside assistance for help. Start by removing the key fob cover and checking for corrosion or loose contacts, which often block signals. Replace the battery with the correct type and secure the cover firmly to restore connection. If the remote still does not respond, attempt the factory reprogramming sequence found in your manual or perform a soft reset by disconnecting and reconnecting the car battery. When unsure, seek professional reprogramming to avoid immobilizer issues. If you are finding this video helpful, please like and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. Quick recommendation: Little Tree's Black Ice is great for hiding musty car odors and keeping your Sonata smelling fresh between maintenance stops. I find a subtle scent makes a long drive nicer and keeps the interior pleasant after mechanics handle locks. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. If remote methods fail, use the mechanical key to unlock the driver door and gently wiggle the lock to free any seized components. Once inside, test the interior unlock switch and trunk release to confirm electrical circuits are working. If the door still resists, remove the interior panel cautiously to inspect linkage and handle connections. When in doubt, stop and call a trained technician to prevent accidental damage to the door or wiring harness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.